In Module 2, you learn how to add pages to your Weebly site. In this module, I'm going to show you how to add content to those pages. After logging into Weebly, please select your Weebly page so that it opens up to the editor. Your page should look something like mine, but it may vary depending on the theme that you chose. Right now you are on your welcome site, and as you notice it looks kind of bare. So that is why we're going to learn how to add content to publish your page. The first thing I want you to take note of at the top left hand side of your screen, there's a logo box that says My Site. You can change this to fit the title of your course. So for this site, I'm going to put Website Builder 101. Click off and you can see that the logo has been successfully updated. The next thing I want you to notice is that the pages that you added to your site should be on the left-hand side of the screen, or if you have a different theme set up, they could also be at the top of the page. Because this is your welcome site, the first thing we want to do is add the title to your page, because this is what your students will see when they go to your website. Over on the left, as you see what I just did, there's a basic tools box, and I selected title, and all I had to do was drag and drop. I'm going to click in the box, and I'm going to type the title for my website. Welcome to Website Builder 101. Because this is my title, I can make this font bold. I can choose to center it in the middle of the page, or I can put it on the right or the left. I may want to make this bigger so that it stands out. You can also change the color and the font using the tools that was introduced to you in Module 2. But for the purpose of this website module, we're just going to stick to adding the content. Now, you may want to add an image to your website. So I'm going to go back to my basic tools. I'm going to click image, and again, I'm going to just drag and drop. It's a very simple tool to use. You can click upload image, and you have some different selections to choose from. My recommendation would always be to have your photos pre-selected and saved on your computer, so that they'll be very easy to access when you are ready to upload these photos to your website. In a few moments, you'll see that your image will pop up. You can make your image larger. You can make it smaller, whatever fits the needs of your course. You can also slide your image to the left or to the right, or keep it in the middle. You'll also see another editing box come up for your image. Click off when you have your image where you would like it. And now the last thing that we want to do is add text to your website. Again, if you go over to the basic tools and click text, and you can drag and drop. You can position your text wherever you would like. If you would like your text added up to the top or around your image, all you got to do is click it and drag it. But for the purpose of this website right now, we're going to just go ahead and type in a basic welcome introduction to the course. Welcome to Website Builder 101. We will be learning a lot this semester. This website introduction can continue by adding whatever other information you like to be added. But for the purpose of this site, we'll just keep it short and simple. Now that you've created your welcome page, you need to work on adding the content to your other pages on your website. If you click Module 1, it will take you to your first welcome page for your first module. As you can see, you're back to a blank surface. In Module 2, you created a template with all of the content for your website already. We are going to make this kind of simple, and we're just going to copy and paste this information to your website. So if you go back to your website, the first thing you need to do, just like before, is drag and drop your title. And for this one, you could say Module 1, Introduction to Weebly, or whatever the title is for your module. Just like before, you can make it bold, you can make this larger, you can center it, and all that kind of stuff, whatever it is that makes you happy with your website. Now you need to add the text box and go back to your content template page and copy and paste the information that you have already typed for Module 1 welcome page. And then when you get back here, all you have to do is paste the information in. As you can tell, the font did change when you copied and pasted the information. You will need to take time to fix this and meet it to your satisfaction. I'm going to go back to the template for the welcome page and copy and paste the goals and outcomes as well. And again, you're going to see that the font and the style is going to be changed. So you will definitely have to take time to fix it. You can change the font, you can change the size. This does take a little bit of time, but having the information already typed out will save you time in the long run. If you want to add an image, just like you did before, click Image and drag and drop. Once you have your image, you can move it around. If you don't want it here, if you want it, further down, you can move it however you want it. Just like before, you click Upload Image. I'm just going to choose the same image that I put on our home screen, and it should upload to your page. After this is uploaded, your information for your Module 1 introduction page is now complete. Again, you'll have to edit the information because it did not copy the same. And you will repeat these steps with every page on your Weebly website.